Namaste students. What do you see in this picture? Did you waste the food before? Why do you waste the food? If you are not like the food, you will waste it, isn't it? Here we will see one story. Wonderful waste. Wonderful means marvelous or extremely good. Waste, no purpose. Why the story have this title? Let me see. Once, the Maharaja of Travancore, Travancore now it is called Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala, ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Survey means noted. So he noted the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Feast means meal. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? Scraps means a small piece of waste in vegetables. He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. Sternly refers to order. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Staring means looking. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He got an idea. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. So he cleaned all the scraps. Then he cut them into long strips. Strips, it refers to cut large thin pieces. So he cut in small pieces. He put them in a huge pot. Huge refers to a large pot, and placed it on the fire to cook. Next he ground some fresh coconut. Ground means grinding. Green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Tempting smell. Tempting means attractive smell started coming from the pot. Now he wiped some curd. So he added some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served the new dish to the guest that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine it all came from a basket of waste. Students, do you like avial? Okay. So, wasted vegetables gives spicy taste to us. Same way, there is nothing is useless. Each one will help. Each one will use in this world. So, students, don't waste the food. Thank you.